Hey everyone, I am Vimal Kumar. In this video, we are going to discuss about DHCP and we will also see how to configure routers as DHCP in Cisco Packet Tracer. DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is a network protocol. It is used to automatically assign IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to devices in a network. It simplifies network management by dynamically allocating and managing IP addresses. Now, how DHCP works? DHCP works on a client-server model. When a new client comes to the network, it sends DHCP discover packet to find the DHCP server in the network. Now, DHCP server receives the DHCP discover packet and it replies with an offer packet containing IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. If the client selects the offer, it broadcasts a DHCP request to the DHCP server. After receiving the DHCP request from the client, DHCP server stores the IP address, client information in the DHCP database and broadcasts DHCP acknowledgement message. DHCP server assigns an IP address to the client in the form of lease if the IP address allocation is valid up to a contract period. Now we are going to configure router as a DHCP server using Packet Tracer. Go to left bottom corner, go to network devices, and here select any of the routers. I'm going to select PT router, and in the network devices, go to switches. You can select any switch. I'm going to select PT switch. I'm going to end devices. Select any of the devices. I'm going to select two PCs and a laptop. Two PCs. Go to connections. Select any of the wire. I'm selecting this one. Connect PC to the switches. Now connect switch to router. Next step is to configure router. So click on the router. Here a default box like this will appear. Go to CLI command line interface. Here it is asking, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Here you will have to write no. Press enter and enable it. After enabling the router, configure terminal, and in the configure terminal interface FA0/0 and configure if IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 0.0. Press enter and no shutdown. Press enter and exit. Write IP DHCP pool name ABC. Here I am giving it name ABC. You can give it anything you wish. And network 192.168.1.1 and 0 255.255.0, which is subnet mask. Press enter. Network default router. So you can see that DHCP request successful. Now go to next PC, go to desktop, go to IP configuration, and go to DHCP requesting IP address. DHCP request successful, and here is IP address subnet mask. Similarly, you can go to laptop, the desktop section, IP configuration. It is requesting IP address, and IP address has been assigned.